Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a messenger button to your Facebook page or message button to your Facebook page. You have to log into your Facebook page first. Then you have to click on this your top left corner, your profile icon or the Facebook page name, and then you have to choose this three dot, this one, and click on add edit action button and click on change button. Now you'll find here this send message. Click on send message and you have to scroll down and you'll find here next. Click on next and then click on save. Then a messenger button will be added to your page. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.